Hey everyone, so it's tea time and today we're cooking chicken with pasta and peas. I've got my ingredients set up, I'll just turn the camera around and show you what they are. So what we've got here, we've got 175 grams of pasta, we've got 85 grams of frozen peas, we've got some crème fraîche, we need a tablespoon of crème fraîche. We've got some horseradish sauce. Horseradish sauce, that's flavour to taste. We like it a bit spicy, so we normally go with about 3/4 of a tablespoon to a tablespoon of horseradish. I've got some chopped parsley, chopped fresh parsley for garnish afterwards, and I've got 100 grams of cooked chicken that I've cut up into chunks. So I've got a pan of boiling water with just some salt in it. I'm just going to add the pasta to the pan. Give it a quick stir. We're going to cook that for 10 to 12 minutes. So the pasta's almost cooked. What we're going to do now, I'm going to put the frozen peas in. And we're going to leave those there to cook for a couple of minutes with the pasta. Pasta and the rice are cooked. I'm just going to drain them off. So we're just going to return this back to the pan. And back onto the heat. A quick stir. This is where it all comes together now. So this is a dessert spoon, so a bit extra. That's the horseradish, this is the crème fraîche. And those go on the top of the crème fraîche, it makes it nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to warm that through. I'm just going to share it now between two bowls. Chicken's nicely warmed through. Peas are cooked, the pasta's cooked. I've done some garlic bread as an accompaniment. I've got some chopped parsley as a garnish. And there we have it. Pasta with chicken and peas. Bon appetit! Well, I must say, even though I cooked that myself, that was delicious. Really enjoyed that. If you look in the description below, there's a link to our website where you can download a PDF with our favourite easy cook meals. So, this is Christine and Courtney at Going Touring saying, drop us a comment, subscribe, don't forget to click that little bell so that you get notifications of when we post another video. So, until next time, bye.
Bye.